This decorative wall was the first creative project that I made in a giant whole house remodel. I used a lot of the leftover wood and scraps, as well as some different types of stones that I got for this wall. You can see me playing around trying to find the right pieces that I liked that would go together, and when I put it all together, I poured epoxy over it to give it a glossy finish and make everything stay and hold together. I did have to cut the piece into 3 sections in order to be able to install it. The central section with the wavy wood and the epoxy, that was made separately, and the top and bottom was made as one piece that I later cut up into 2 and decided to separate into a top and bottom panel. It is now one of the top attractions of my Airbnb house.